Let's use the for each comment again to make an animation. Okay, let's save and exit from here and open a document as animation.tex. Now I will write my document class. I will use tikz here with the square bracket, and I will use margins to equal 2 millimeters, and I will write here standalone. I will first use package tikz. I will first teach you what is this standalone and what does this margins do. Actually, this one is not margins, margin. And let's start our begin document and let's end it, and let's make begin tikz picture and let's end the tikz picture. Now I'd like to draw a rectangle, and I'd like to fill that rectangle like a loading animation I will make. Okay, I will write a rectangle and I will load that rectangle in time. So let's make a rectangle here, draw line width equals to 1.5 pt, and let's make its color blue, 30% blue, and the rest is black, so it's kind of a navy blue. And then I'd like to fill it with white. Okay, my rectangle will be located from 0.0 to 6.4. Now this is standalone. Let's save and exit and then run PDF LaTeX animation.tex. Close this lines and curves PDF file. When you do ls, you will see that the animation.pdf here. Now you can open it with events animation.pdf. Now because we used standalone, our PDF document is cropped, only including our rectangle here. Okay, if we don't use standalone and if we use article here, you will see that our rectangle will come here. This standalone class is usually used to make the documents outside of our LaTeX documents, compile them to create the PDF files, and those PDF files can be read into PDF LaTeX documents. Okay, in the first lecture that we learned LaTeX, we inserted pictures into our LaTeX documents. You would remember that. So this is the way of making the PDF documents like this one. This is my square and it's named as animation.pdf. Like if I open my line and curves.tex again here, if I go to the end, like add a figure here, begin figure, and we can read this animation.pdf file into our document using include graphics, and the name is animation.pdf, and then end figure. Let's add a caption. The rectangle figure is loaded from outside. Okay, But to use the include graphics, we need to add use package graphx. Okay. Now after doing this, let's run our lines and curves again. PDF LaTeX lines and curves.txt. Let me check if I make a mistake. Figure and figure include graphics. Okay, I didn't put a semicolon here, and also I need to close this one. I'm always running a couple of times. I'm always using the H. I don't know if it is about the version, but I didn't get this warning. If you use HT, you will not get this warning, so it's fine. And open the lines and curves.pdf here. As you see, the rectangle came here, and we read this rectangle as a PDF file. Let me get rid of from this. I put it when I was trying to fix the error. Lines and curves.pdf, and this is my rectangle here. If I add like centering here, my rectangle will be centered. Okay, so this rectangle is not drawn in this LaTeX document, but it is drawn in another LaTeX document which is so-called animation.txt, and then the PDF file is made, and then this one put here, this one is put here using that PDF file. Or you can also make that here, or you can also do this one. Like if you are writing long comments, like this one for example, if you are making this figure, to keep your TX file like not that crowded, you can make this figure outside using like animation.txt file, create a PDF file, and then you can put it here as a PDF file. Or like if you will just draw a line like this one for example, if your text picture is not that will not make your document that crowded, you can just write it in your LaTeX document. Now I will exit from lines and curves. I will now open the animation.txt again, and I will find the animation.txt output animation.pdf here. Now I will add another drawings here, starting from this point and going through this way. Okay, to do that, like I need to add a for each, but let's first add the red rectangles here. Red rectangle from 0, 0 to 1, 4 for example. Let's see it first. So animation.txt I need to run like this one, and I want to add another blue to black, like a navy blue line as the frame, but it's not filled with white. So I will remove this one. I would only like to see this line here, not these two. Okay, now I have a frame in navy blue, and I have a red line here. Let's fill this part with red. I'm filling this part with red. Okay, Now I'm getting closer to make my loading çubuk. I don't know what is that in English, çubuk. But I'd like to make this one like starting from 1 4 and then going to 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 and then go back. Okay, to do that I can just change this one, right, with a definition x, for example, and I can define this x here outside of the tikz picture with a for each loop for each x in, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now because I'm not in the tikz picture, I am not working with the semicolons, so I need to put this tikz picture into curly brackets. Okay, so my for loop is working in between these curly brackets. Okay, and x will be 1 to 6 and it will be updated, and each time it will write a picture in other pages. Let's run this command with the pdf latex animation.tx to see that your PDF files are created here. I am saying PDF files because we have 6 pages of PDFs here. If you open by clicking this side pane button in the document viewer, you will see that you have a 6 pages booklet now. We can convert these 6 pages booklet into GIF, but I'd like to increase the frame number a little. Okay, we have now 6 frames and this is a video, but this is a low quality video. I'd like to increase the frame number. To do that, I'd like to change my numbers from 0 to 60. To do that, we can just write this way: 0 1 2 dots here and 60 here, but this point is 6, right? So we can just come to this x and we can divide it by 10. So it will start drawing from 0 0 to 0 4, and then it will draw my next line to 0 1 0.1 to 4, 0.2 to 4, 0.3 to 4. Okay, let's run the pdf latex command to see it. Okay, now my video will look like this one. Okay, I have a PDF document, animation.pdf, having 61 pages here. So I can change this document into a GIF document using ImageMagick. ImageMagick is a software you can use on the Ubuntu terminal, and if it's not installed on your computer, you can just use sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install ImageMagick. Okay, because I have already installed, it says 0 newly installed, but it will ask you to press Y once and then it will download the ImageMagick. After refreshing your terminal window, then you can use this command, convert -density 300 animation.pdf, which is our PDF file's name, and animation.gif, which is our GIF file's name. Or you can just use like 100 here to not to wait too long. Density 100, animation PDF, animation GIF. Okay, this convert command is part of ImageMagick, and it's making this it's converting the PDF files into GIF files like this. When you list, you will see that the animation.gif is here, and you can open it with EOG animation.gif, and you will see that our animation is ready here. Okay, but here when it comes to this end, it goes immediately here, but I'd like it to go to the left step by step again. Let's open the animation.tx again and add here some more lines. After 60, write 59, 58, comma, 3 dots and 0. Save exit, run the PDF LaTeX. Like at the end, you will see that you will have 121 pages now, and your document goes like it fills our box and then it makes it empty back. Not PDF LaTeX, but convert command can convert this new PDF file to a new animation file. It may take some time because we have 121 PDF pages to convert the GIF version. Then we can use the EOG again to open the animation.gif. It fills and then it makes it back empty. Okay. There are lots of animation videos, animation examples on the internet. Animations are not that useful actually, but because they are like interesting, I am showing them here, but probably you will not use the animations, so I will not spend lots of time on the animations. Okay. Next topic is drawing the heat transfer examples picture. What is that? Let me show it first. Open GitHub, and in the lecture 11, I think I shared with you a document at the end, maybe. Yeah, click here, download the example report. In the lecture 11, we have this picture here. Now we will try to draw this picture using tikz in LaTeX. Jump to the next video, please.